something.
Hey, this is Mr. Coker with Foundations of Algebra Lesson 8.1, Part 2, Finding Slope. This time from 2 points. The last video talked about if you find slope from a graph, or how to find slope from a graph. This time I'm talking about if you are given 2 points, so you don't have a graph. And we can find slope. Finding slope with a graph is pretty easy, as we saw in the last video. Finding slope with 2 points is not much more difficult. This is the example I'm going to use. I'm going to use the 2 points 2, 1 and -4, -5. First thing, remember, it's always x, y, x, y. I just want to make sure you remember the first number is the x value, the second number is the y value. There are 2 ways I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. The first one deals with taking our 2 points and stacking them on top of each other and subtracting. So I'm going to start with the x values, and the order doesn't matter. I want to be clear about that. The order of the points doesn't matter. If I put this first number on top or the second number on top, it makes no difference, as long as I go x, y, x, y. I'm going to start by subtracting the x values. 2 minus -4. Put it in a calculator, you'll see it is 6. Second, the y value. 1 minus -5. Again, put it in a calculator, you will see it is 6. Now we have an x value of 6 and a y value of 6. These are change in x and change in y. Also, run, rise. Which one goes on top? In the last video we saw it goes rise over run. Of course, these are the same number, so of course it doesn't matter. But this number goes on top. That's the rise, and then the x value is the run. It goes on bottom. Again, it does not matter in this case because they're the same, but usually that's not true. Our slope is 6/6. You can reduce that, of course, to 1, and that is our slope. Now, the second way of doing it, this is the better way. I'll just make that clear. In my opinion, it is the better way. But often you're given the slope formula. It says y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We just did that in a simpler fashion, but I'm going to set it up following our formula. y2, I'm going to take the second y value. I'm going to label these 1, 2, 1, 2. So y2 is now -5. By the way, this should give me the same answer. -5 minus, I put I do it. x1, y1, x2, y2. Ignore my dots right there, sorry about that. -5 minus 1, and then -4 minus 2. -5 minus 1 is -6. -4 minus 2 is also -6. -6 divided by -6 gives, oh yeah, 1. You're doing the same thing either way. I like this way better, and I think I made a little screw up when I was doing it just because I put the wrong numbers. That's the reason this way is better. You avoid any minor errors that might trip you up. Anyway, that's it on finding slope with 2 points. Stack the 2 numbers, subtract them, put your rise over your run, simplify. Or you can use the formula. Showed you both. So, thanks for watching. Have a good day.